It's no secret that the hospitality and tourism industry has been hit hard. And there's no question we will come out of this stronger than ever. So now is the time to prepare, to rebuild, to connect, to chase that dream. Because there's a tidal wave coming of people who can't wait to spend time together. And you can be there to welcome them, armed with skills that will take you anywhere. SAIT is ranked one of the top hospitality schools in the world, top 20 in North America, and #1 in Canada. Our blended curriculum starts with a foundation of interconnected skills, including brand and guest experience, leadership, organizational culture, sales, marketing, and financial management. Then you specialize in one of 6 areas: hotels and accommodation, restaurant and service operations, beverage management, event management, travel and tourism, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Or choose a multidisciplinary approach and focus on the areas you want. Whether your passion is in hotels or restaurants, event management, or travel planning, the Hospitality and Tourism program gives you the real-world skills that you can take anywhere. When the world starts to move again, find yourself here at SAIT.